guys!
What's up?
I'm Marta
And I'm Joanna.
and welcome to our first YouTube video.
So today we're gonna do the yoga challenge, and for who doesn't know what this challenge is,
This challenge is about some yoga poses that we found on the internet.
and we're gonna try to do the same poses.
This video is going to be really funny to do.
Yeah, I hope so.
So let's do it!
Oops.
This side.
Yes.
So let's do it! First one!
Let's try it.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Here's the bottom.
Smart girl.
Wait. Okay.
Oh!
Wait.
Okay. Go. Yes. So...
Wait.
Do it!
Okay. No.
No, what? Okay. Do it now.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my god!
I'm sorry.
What is this? Oh my finger! Oh,
What the?
oh. Oh my god!
Okay. I'll stay on the bottom for this one.
Thank you, God. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh. So no, it's not.
Yes.
Okay. You have to look. No. Oh
You have
my.
to look to that side. Yes!
Oh!
Now we did it. Okay, now wait.
Oh my god!
I have air in my mouth. I really have. Next one. What is your password?
I have something in my eye. Look. Oh.
Are you okay? What is your
Okay.
password?
Oh my. 2355. I think.
Yes. Everybody knows your password.
Thank you, Joanna. I need to
welcome.
change it.
Okay.
Okay.
This looks easy.
Looks. Yes.
It just looks.
Careful. My foot. Our foot.
And
Oh.
bye.
Oi.
Okay, bye. Are you okay?
Oh my god. I don't understand.
We did it.
What?
I believe we did it.
We did.
Okay, next one. Ooh. I stay on the top.
Oh.
I stay on the top for this one.
No. My legs. Okay. Oh. Hello, guys. Oh my god. This one first. The other.
Woo!
Wait.
We did it!
Oh, my legs.
First time we
My
did it!
legs.
Okay,
Oh,
sorry.
help me. My leg.
Give me your hand.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Is everything okay? I'm fine.
Ooh.
Thank you for asking.
This one looks very comfy. I hope you're a very soft pillow.
Yes, I'm a pillow. Thank you.
Just do this time. Okay,
Oh, my back.
get ready. Is this hurting? Oh,
She's my cousin. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, my back.
Okay.
Your legs.
Yes,
My
sir.
back.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
We did it.
Oh,
My foot.
I need a massage.
I need a foot massage.
Yes.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
Okay. Ants. No.
Yeah. Hands first. Yeah.
Okay.
No, the other. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh! Give me the other. We did it.
No. Okay. Next one.
Now I know your password. Oops. not yours. I put mine. Okay. Look. Oh, Jesus. Why did we pick this one? Look at the picture.
No. Man,
Let's
you are
try.
so crazy.
Let's try.
Okay.
This is gonna hurt so bad.
Let's try it.
Let's do it. Okay. Are you ready? 1,
I'm not.
2, 3. Wait, I'm not ready.
Oh, it's really.
1,
No, 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 no.
1,
No.
1.
No.
I'm just say 1.
1.
1, 2, 3. I did it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Woo.
It's for you. I'm so sweet.
Thank you. I broke our friendship.
I really love making this video for you guys.
Yeah, me too.
We love sharing our moments with all of you.
And thank you for seeing our first YouTube video. We hope you enjoy it.
Please give to this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Comment something down below if you'd like to. Give some ideas for next YouTube videos. And don't forget to follow us on our social medias. The links will be down below as well.
See you soon, guys.
Bye!